Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be doing kind of like a pack with me video, more of like a vlog style video. I am getting ready to go on vacation with my family and I just got done doing a little power hour. I actually filmed that, so you'll see that probably before this video goes up. But I had to get a little bit of stuff cleaned up. I washed all my clothes, folded everything, put everything away, and now I'm ready to finally pack for our vacation. We always say we're gonna do this way earlier than we do. I said I was gonna try to pack on Sunday, and then now it is already Wednesday and we leave for our vacation tomorrow, so whatever. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and pack, and I thought it would be kind of fun to show you guys what I'm bringing along with me to the beach. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe. I do all different types of videos over here on my channel. I do lifestyle, I do cleaning, organizing, all kinds of different things. So I would love to have you subscribe and also click that like button down below if you like videos like this one. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into this packing. Okay, so the first thing that I did before I started packing was the other day we kind of just made a list of all the things that we needed. So I did like clothes for everyone, and then toiletries, what does that say? Food, all kinds of different things that I needed to make sure that we did not forget for our trip. So right now I'm actually getting ready to pack my clothes. I'm gonna let Chance do his own, and then I usually pack all of the kids' clothes as well. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what I'm packing for this trip. And we're gonna start with bathing suits first, and I wanna thank Pat Clothing for sponsoring this video. And it's so funny because I had already ordered a bathing suit, matching bathing suits for me and Gracie June from this shop. I saw this ad pop up on Instagram one day, and so I clicked on it. I went to their store. I ended up purchasing 2 bathing suits, one for me, one for Gracie June, and then they came in, and then about a month later I got an email from Pat asking if I would partner with them and share some of their things on my YouTube channel, and I was like, yeah, definitely. So I already had ordered with them. I loved what we got, and you guys know I am honest in my reviews. I tell it how it is. I'm not gonna, lie to you guys about anything. So whenever I'm sharing products, or if I have a sponsored video, just know I'm always gonna tell you guys the truth, exactly what I think of it, because I do look up to a lot of other YouTubers and I value their opinions, because I get a lot of stuff based on what other YouTubers think and how things that they love for their own homes, or fashion or makeup or whatever. Definitely makeup, you guys. Whenever I am watching a makeup person on YouTube, I always go with whatever they say, and I trust them. So I want you guys to trust me as well when I'm sharing things on my channel. Anyways, rant over. So I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I got from Pat, and I'll show you the one that I ordered first, the one that I ordered before they reached out to me. But if you didn't know, Pat is it's just an online clothing store, and they have a lot of stuff for mommy and daughter matching clothes, but they have a lot of kids clothes too. So what I was looking for was more of like things for summer, so I ended up just getting some bathing suits, and I'm gonna take the camera and just kind of show you. I have it laid out on the bed. It's easier to show it that way. Alright, so this was the first bathing suit that I got before they ever contacted me, and it's super cute. It's the high-waisted bottoms. You guys have probably seen a picture of Gracie June and hers on my Instagram account if you follow me there. And then also I was going to let you guys know that it comes in this little bag, and it's like a plastic bag, but it's very thick, and so each bathing suit comes in separately, or whatever you order is going to come in separately in a bag like that, which I thought was really awesome, because you guys know that a lot of times things can get messed up in shipping, but with that bag, it makes it very hard to get messed up. This is the second matching pair of bathing suits that I got for me and Gracie June. I absolutely love this one. It's so flattering on, and this one for the women's top, it's just strapless, and it's so pretty. I have a picture of me in this one on my Instagram account as well. And then this one is Gracie June's, and I like that for the little girls it has the tie around the neck, but we can perfectly match. And then this is the third matching bathing suit that I got, and I absolutely love Gracie June's. we were gonna do a unicorn party for her birthday, she wanted, but then she changed it to My Little Pony, so she can still wear this though. But I really, really love hers. I love the ruffles on the sleeves, and then on the back it has like a little bow. It's hard to see in this lighting, but it has this little bow. And then the only thing is, I don't know if I'll actually wear my bathing suit because of how low it comes right here. It's kind of revealing, a little bit more revealing than I would like, but maybe we'll try it. I'm not really sure, but that's the third bathing suit. Okay, so those are all the bathing suits that I got from Pat Pat, and by far my favorite is the striped one. I feel like it's just so flattering. For Gracie June, I think my favorite is the high-waisted one for her because it's so stinking cute on her little gymnast looking body. But I absolutely love the quality of all their bathing suits, and they are not expensive at all. I think a couple of mine were like $16 and then hers were like $13 maybe. I think I may have gotten them on sale too. But also, I'll leave all the bathing suits down in the description box in case you guys want to go check those out for yourselves or if you want to order one. But I'm going to show you the other bathing suits that I'm going to be packing that are not from Pat Pat, just so you can see all that I'm taking with me. Alright, these are the other two bathing suits that I'm going to be taking with me. This one right here, actually both of the tops are actually from Target, and then both of the bottoms are from Old Navy. And this is the first summer that I've been wearing a lot of one piece or tankini tops because I have been just, I don't know, I guess maybe I'm feeling more modest this summer, but this is the first summer I haven't been wearing a lot of two pieces or bikinis. Alright, so those are all of the bathing suits that I'm taking. We will probably be in the pool right when we get there tomorrow, and then Friday and Saturday we'll probably be at the beach and pool all day long. So I'll at least wear 3 of those. So I think I'm bringing 5 bathing suits, but like I said, I'm not really sure that I'm gonna wear that unicorn one. And I wanted to have an extra bathing suit just in case like we left and then went back later at night and mine was still wet. I don't like putting on a wet bathing suit, but anyways, that's why I'm bringing 5. Now we're gonna move on to the outfits that I'm gonna bring with me. Like I said, most of the day we're gonna be at the beach or at the pool. So we are gonna be going to dinner at night. So I did bring a few different really cute outfits to wear to dinner. Also, when I was thinking about what outfits I wanted to bring, I always pack really light. For some reason, I just don't like to take a whole lot of stuff with me. So I am trying to kind of use a few of the same shorts or shoes or whatever so that way I'm not packing too much for our vacation. And I'll show those to you now. Alright, so this is the easiest way for me to show you. I just hung my shirt up right here and then have the bottoms and my sandals on the floor. But this shirt is from a little shop called Sweet Pine, and it's a new boutique, and they have the cutest tops and dresses and things like that. They're brand new, so I saw them on Facebook and I had to try out some of their clothing. The owners actually live close to Savannah, or they are in Savannah, so I was like, I want to support these small shops. So the back of this one, it just ties, and it's so cute. I thought the, frays at the bottom were so perfect and beachy looking. So I got that, and then I'm just gonna wear it with my Old Navy shorts that I love and my Old Navy slides. So that's the first outfit. Alright, so this is the next top that I got from Sweet Pine, and I absolutely love this one. Love the ruffles, and it's a little longer in the back than it is in the front. And to pair it, I can either do the white shorts or I could do my jean shorts, and then I also have my white slides and these little tan shoes from Old Navy as well. So I don't know which one I'll wear, but it definitely could go with any of those. Also, they do have this top in blue on their boutique online as well, and I really wanted the blue one, but you guys have probably seen, like, most of my closet is blue, so I decided to be a little bit different and get the pink. All right, and like I said, almost all my closet's blue, and I picked out 2 other blue shirts from their shop as well, and this is still from Sweet Pine. And then either one of those could go with the blue jean shorts or the white shorts, and either one of those pairs of shoes. But I'm also gonna bring these pair of blue jeans just in case I need to wear jeans one night. But let me show you how cute these shirts are. So this one is like a cotton, just stretchy material, and it's got checkered sleeves on the ruffles, and then the stripes, and then the back is the cutest, and this is so flattering on too. But the back just ties up, and it's so stinking cute. I love it. All right, and then this shirt is really pretty. It's got the phrase at the bottom and on the sleeves. And then it's also one of those off the shoulder tops. So I think this will be really perfect for the beach and just a really cute casual shirt to wear. Okay, so those are all my outfits that I plan on bringing for dinner. And like I said, I'm gonna mix and match so that way I don't have to bring a ton of clothes. And I'm also going to be leaving the link down in the description box for Sweet Pine's shop, and then I'll try to leave links for all of the tops as well in case you guys are interested in any of those. I highly recommend them. They're very high quality, super cute, and I feel like you could wear them either dressed up or casual. They would be perfect for a date night or even a date on the beach. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys that I'm packing are my cover-ups, and all of these are old. I feel like I need to probably buy a new cover-up because I've had all of these forever, so these probably are not available in any of the shops that I'm going to mention now because they are so old. But the first one I use as a cover-up is this jumper, and it's kind of hard to see, but it just ties at the top. It's ruffly, and this one is from Express. The next cover-up that I'm going to use, and this one I have had on my Instagram as well, but it's from Old Navy, and it's just a, I guess it was maybe, I used to use it as a dress, but it's just pink and white stripes. And then the last little cover-up that I'm going to be taking with me is also from Old Navy. If you didn't realize, I love to shop at Old Navy, but it's just this little, it ties over the top, and then it's got like little flowers design, and it's black, and so that's what I'm taking. And then also I'm going to take these little shorts. They are from Gap, but I love these shorts because they're just casual, and with my bathing suit that like my black bathing suit that has the ruffle, it's just like a tank top sort of, I can wear these as the bottoms, and the tank top looks like a top or a shirt, and so I can just walk around with that on and just throw it on over my bottoms. So those are all the cover-ups that I'm bringing. And then of course I will have to pack my underwear and bras, but I don't think you guys want to see that, and if you do, I'm sorry, I'm not going to show you. But I'm going to pack those, and then my makeup, toiletry items, things like that. And then Chance and I are actually packing all of our stuff into one suitcase, and then we'll pack all of the kids' stuff into their suitcase. So I'm going to go ahead and pack my stuff up, and then I'll show you guys in a little bit of maybe after Chance picks all of his stuff out, we'll put all of our stuff in the suitcase and I'll show you guys. So whenever we're packing our suitcase for a trip, we always use the filing method, and we do this because one, you can get a whole lot more into your suitcase. Another reason is because whenever we're getting ready to look at our checklist and make sure that we're not forgetting anything, we can easily see everything in our suitcase and where it all is and check it off easy. And then also when we get to our hotel room, we always take our clothes out of our suitcase and put them into the drawers so that we can easily find our clothes throughout the vacation. And if you use this method, you can take your whole stack of clothes straight from your suitcase and put them straight into your drawer, and it makes it super easy. And here you'll see how I roll my tops to fold them, and I always do this because it keeps them from wrinkling, and then when I get there I will just hang them up in the closet. now I'm just adding in Chance's clothes, and then I'll add in our shoes and other little items that we're bringing with us. For my beach hat, I am stuffing it with another hat and some socks and just flipping it over so that it doesn't get smushed down in the bottom of my bag. And now I'm just going to use our smaller suitcase to pack all the kids' clothes into this one. Alright, and now we are all packed and ready for vacation. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the links below for Pat Pat Clothing and Sweet Pine Boutique, and they also have some coupon codes in case you guys want to get a good discount. And if you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!